Series combines ease of use features with enhanced speed and piercing power. So a wide range of fabrics from lightweight sheer to layers of denim. You'll love the built-in needle threader, speed control, thread cutter button, stitch tie-off, stitch mirror image, and stitch elongation, as well as the one-step buttonhole. There are also 2 different lettering fonts built in so you can sew words, phrases, and monograms. 10 presser feet are included to enhance your creative options. The 300 built-in stitches offer 586 stitch applications, which you can explore on the Singer website. Your machine instruction manual is also available.
SE600, the 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine designed to fuel your creative projects for years to come. Get more control with the Sew Smart Color LCD touchscreen display. Easily position your embroidery designs with just a touch of your finger. Preview thread color changes and immediately see the results on screen before stitching. Get more space to view your designs and perform on-screen edits. And get started quickly with built-in tutorials that provide on-screen sewing assistance. Jumpstart your embroidery projects with 80 high-quality built-in embroidery designs, including new applique designs and 6 built-in embroidery fonts, plus access to iBroidery.com, where you'll find thousands of ready-to-use designs, and all of them can be easily imported using the onboard USB port. Think big with an even larger workspace. Explore endless creative options with 103 built-in sewing stitches, including 10 styles of buttonholes, 7 sewing feet for zigzag, monogramming, overcasting, zippers, and more, plus advanced features like an automatic needle threading, variable speed control, and programmable needle up-down. So bring your creative sewing and embroidery visions to life with the Brother SE600 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine.
The VETRON 4000 and 4010 Classic is a classic direct drive 1-needle lock stitch sewing machine with triple transport and full function. The application area is in the upholstery, automotive industry, and in the bags and cases production, and many more. The VETRON 4000 series is equipped with a modern, intuitive touch control panel. It is integrated in the machine arm. Operation is simple and easy to understand. The machine has 2 adjustable top feed strokes that are easy to set. Max top feed stroke is 9 mm. The VETRON 4000 has 2 adjustable stitch lengths, with a max of 12 mm. Various functions can be switched or selected using a switch bar. You can switch between two top feed strokes and stitch lengths. An additional thread tension can be activated, or the machine can be in a lock mode for threading or repairing. An additional thread tension can also be activated. For the operator is electric back-tack switch in the operator grip. The integrated LED sewing light has 2 power levels and provides sufficient light in the sewing area. Machine software and sewing programs can be easily transferred via a USB connection. The powerful direct drive of the VETRON 4000 has a max speed of 4,000 revolutions per minute. The speed of the 4010 is 3,400. The strong drive is perfect for thick or hard materials. The VETRON 4000 and 4010, with an exceptionally high stitch quality, it is perfectly suited for top stitching work in the visible area, as well as for assembling seams, and is the ideal partner as a worker. That is the VETRON 4000 Classic Series.
With the all-new multi-purpose Innov-is NQ3700D. The ultimate embroidery, sewing, and quilting combo. Only from Brother, of course. For you seasoned embroiderers out there, now you can add sewing and quilting with one versatile machine. The Innov-is NQ3700D comes loaded with easy-to-use, high-performance features for embroidery, sewing, and quilting. Feel like smaller hoop sizes are limiting your creativity? Our large 6x10 hoop opens your opportunities. Enjoy 313 built-in embroidery designs, including 55 fun Disney and Pixar designs. Plus 140 frame pattern combinations and 13 lettering fonts. And an efficient and simple color sort feature. A nearly 5 square inch LCD color touchscreen with an intuitive interface simplifies on-screen editing. All with drag and drop convenience. Send designs to your machine wirelessly using Design Database Transfer. And there's even an optional 5x7 magnetic hoop for working with thicker fabrics. But that's not nearly all. Sewers and quilters, the Innov-is NQ3700D is your machine too. Explore 291 built-in stitches with 10 styles of one-step auto-size buttonholes and 5 sewing fonts. Personalize your work with My Custom Stitch capability. Automatic feed thread cutting between colors, plus an automatic height adjuster. Ensure clean, smooth, high-quality stitching. And the precise pivot function allows for tighter corners, smoother circles, and easier chain pieces. One machine, simple solutions, magical results. Visit your Brother dealer today and demo this amazing, versatile, and affordable machine.